back to Carlos RC Adventures. It's still raining here, if you saw from last video. It's been raining like for how many days already? And yeah, today we're gonna actually restore one of my RC boats. Yeah, it's the first one in this channel. This channel is just about my hobbies and stuff. And yeah, this was actually I disassembled it last few years before I got into this hobby. This was my first RC boat. It's an H100 RC boat from Lazada. And yeah, I am planning to restore this and probably, of course, run it, because I bought this when I was like 9 years old and now I'm like 12. So that's nice. It actually broke down because it was so rusty. So yeah, let's get it on. So the way this works is you have to put it to the side, like to put it to the middle like this, and after that you get the cover off. This is actually so bad already. It's been through hell. Oh my god, this is the receiver box, guys. This is I disassembled this again like many years ago when this was broken and rusted. Oh, the prop is still here. Nice. Woo, this is nice. Still here. This was just hiding in my box where I just cleaned everything. Oh, it even has a steering thing. To be honest, I don't know what this. I think it probably goes over here. I don't even remember fixing this and assembling this. Oh, there's another one right here. Oh, it broke. It broke? No way, it broke. I don't remember anything. This. Probably have to super glue that. The motor. This is probably a. This is probably like a 370, 380 motor. Brushed. It's super rusty now. I will need that, and I will need this one also. And yeah. Some other hardware, like these screws. I don't know if it comes with it or not. I've just put everything here, guys. I didn't know how to fix this. I just knew how to disassemble it, which is so funny. So this is just the hull. This is actually pretty beaten up. Actually, yeah, you see this, there's so much scratches already. And there's actually rust right here. There's so many oil in there. That's so... okay, I'll try to take off this thing. If I can take out the screws for here, so I'll try to take it out first. Oh guys, I don't think there's any thread left here. Oh, that's sad. So guys, I'm gonna clean this first. I'll just wipe it down a bit. This video is not about the electronics. First, this is also about cleaning the hull and then seeing what I need to replace. So yeah, I'll clean this first. I will clean this first. I will clean this later, actually. And after that, but first, let's see what we need to replace here. in this RC boat. So definitely needs like one of these things, which is good thing it's over here. I just need to super glue it, so that's good. Got the prop over here, which is a nice thing because I don't need to buy this anymore. I probably need to buy just like an extra one of the blades, but the steel rod is good. Sorry, steel rod is good. It's working. So yeah, this one's also good. I just need cleaning. I think this is for put in here. I don't know. Receiver box. Oh my god. You can tell this is super waterproof because it's so dirty. I mean, like, there's so much epoxy in here. So definitely need a receiver and transmitter. Needs a, okay, here, this is where it goes, I think. This is a steering for it. To be honest, I really don't know how to assemble this first again. Also, the steering's good. Nice. I just don't have the hardware, the screws for it, so that's sad. Okay, so that's all I have actually. So this, I think we need actually like a super thin rod that goes here like that, from what I remember. And then we need, of course, a tiny servo. I don't know where to put it, to be honest. I don't know where to put it. Definitely needs a gearbox or a motor for it. I'm gonna convert this to actually, I'm gonna put a brushless motor here. And yeah, so those are all the things I think I need. I also need some hardware wires and stuff, and battery, and so much stuff. So much stuff to buy. So guys, I'll end this video right now here. This is just a short video of what's gonna happen to this boat. I'm gonna upgrade, I'm gonna clean it, and I'm gonna make it nice again. So yeah, and this is the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll show you what's gonna come up for this week. Sorry, just lag. I'll show you what's gonna come up for this week. So this week we're gonna rebuild that Jackal Thunder Tiger basher. I destroyed the wheels, so I'm gonna put this Remo Hobby wheels. I don't know if these are good, but it looks cool in there, I think. I've also been putting some scale accessories in the Jeep body we have, and yeah. So this is all for today, guys. I'll see you next time in another video, or in the next video you're gonna watch. And yeah, like, subscribe, thumbs down if you like it, thumbs down if you don't like it. I respect your decision. And yeah, thanks for watching.